Oh shoot, my mic was muted, guys. Um, I was just saying, what is this guy doing over here? Is there Amo? Is there Amo in chat? Um, anyway, I was saying this. Let's wait for people to come before it. Damn, all the objectives met? Bro, look at this. I literally posted my charts yesterday. Damn, that's a week and a half. You just came from gym? Who's this guy? Oh wow. Val USD syncing with DXY. That's weird. Everything is so freaking bearish, guys. What's up, Tier? What's up, Arrow? Like this, trying like this, like that. Well, we rated sell side. Do we really need to go lower than that? Bias for PMI? I'll tell everyone my bias when everyone hops on. I don't have to repeat it as many times. I haven't been live in a while, bro. It feels like it's been so long. It's been so long that I haven't seen your face. But let's just say I want to see retracement. Like, surely we retrace eventually, right? Is this like August month? Like, look at this month, bro. We've already moved 2,400 points. It's been like 3 days. Tell me that was a Judas. Tell me that was like the weekly Judas, the monthly Judas, taking out. Why don't you use S&P indicator? I don't need to. I just we took out monthly sell side. There's S&P at the lows. But like we're disrespecting every single PD array. Taking a long is like nonsense almost. Like how are you gonna take a long in this market? I like the NWOG, but would you work out, Amen, bro? You guys wanna know something funny? I wake up 9:05 and I hop on live 9:15. Like I really try to get as much sleep as I possibly can. I mean, there's S&P at the lows. Bro, this is actually insane. You eat first? Eat up, bro. Eat up, little bro. How do you, bro? That's good. That's good. Back at it. Yeah, tired. Well, do I think we can go higher from here? Possible. Only for a little, though. What is your bias and why? Daily bias, like in terms of where do I think the daily chart is gonna go? Honestly, bro, if we don't bottom right here, then I honestly have no idea. If we don't bottom literally right here, then I don't know how much, I don't know where we're going lower. Like, yeah, there's some imbalances here. Maybe we take out some more sell side. As for ES, it would be this low, which there's SMT at right now. So we could bottom here and then go towards NWAG. That's insane. This guy's gonna, yo, I know his organs are struggling. That's what my girl says, bro. She's like, your organs must be dry as fuck. BTC is cooked. Everything is cooked. Holy shit, bro. We're down so many points, but we might be able to see some higher movement here. BTC, yeah, BTC is cooked. I mean, there's an imbalance here on the weekly, but at this point, PD arrays are not being respected. So like maybe everything is pretty cooked. See there, but the video is about to open at 95, bro. Yeah, 500 million? Bro, what is this guy trying to do a fucking water challenge? Why is he drinking so little water, bro? It's freaking water, just drink it. Using gold. I'm surprised gold went down with. I mean, Euro smashed our take profit, but the thing is, YM, bro, look at YM. Fuck the monthly volume imbalance, YM said. No PD arrays, no nothing. This shit's going down. It's going down. Which is why I'm not gonna be holding a trade for a while. If I'm taking a trade today, it's gonna be a quick like in and out, maybe a quick break even or something along those lines. For the most part, I want to look for longs, maybe retracement into premium. Where could we potentially see that from? I'll drop down to the 15-minute time frame and see. All right, we got our CISD. If we form a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, maybe go back in and then give a 1-minute entry. I don't mind that. Start targeting NWAG. Yeah, I'm down for something like that. There's no 15-minute here, but there might be one here. I mean, no inversion. We get the inversion. Pretty much gonna be waiting. The inversion, we can start targeting out like maybe these highs. That's the plan. 10 a.m. news. Can we really undo? Oh, no, today's a large range, right? Like these candles are, yeah. So we're gonna have to do like 3 micros, 2 or 3 micros, which will be like 300 risk. Yep, I'm gonna watch ICT's live stream after. I don't want to watch it while I trade. It's gonna influence me. I already know it's gonna influence me. I gotta watch it after. I'll take notes. I'll post my notes in my Discord. I love watching his live streams. Sometimes. I don't know if he's doing it this time though. What's weird is like dollar is sinking, but so are the indices, you know? There's no correlation. ES is obviously a leader, right? We might look to we might actually long ES today. He doesn't like to trade on those lives. He does sometimes, but he doesn't like to. Bro, sometimes he'll say like he'll trade on the live, but he'll take really shitty entries on purpose so that if people copy trade him, they lose. Try and teach people the fact that they shouldn't be copy. Like, what a fucking guy. I mean, if that's true. That's pretty crazy, but I mean, I kind of get where he's coming from. If you want BTC for news, oh my God, Ryuk. I'm gonna be interested in, oh, if we close this fair value gap, bro, that's so lame, bro. Give me one bullish PD rate. Haven't seen one in so long. Views on Bitcoin. Where's my Bitcoin? Have the weekly fair value gap here. Maybe, bro. Like if we wick and start close bullish on this week, like maybe. But it's not looking good, bro. If I'm being honest. We do have the monthly and then the weekly inside. There's a balanced price range. Like this could just be like an extreme summer manipulation for August. Like August making a very deep, holy shit, bro. Making a very deep low and then reversing. It's possible, but I'd have to see confirmation at this point because see the 3 months chart. I don't really care about the 3 months chart, but I'll look. Fuck you guys. Yeah, we're inside the 3 month fair value gap. Let's get it this August. Let's fucking get it, bro. People are making jokes, bro. Minds are saying this. Yo, just short market open, you'll be fine. Every time 9:30 comes, just click sell. You'll be fine, bro. Click sell at 9:30, hold 2R. You'll be fine. Looks like this 50-minute fair value gap is gonna fail. I want it to form. We could potentially long off of it later, but we're wicking here. Looks like we might come for sell side. 8:30 low day. Yeah, this is ass. Also, by the way, it could be very, very choppy today, guys. So if you are gonna trade, be careful. That's why I said I'm gonna keep it close. I'm not gonna aim for anything specific. I'm just gonna aim for 2R probably if I do take a trade. I said if. Probably gonna be very choppy because Asia moved, London moved. I mean, we could see New York reversal. It is a large range day. It would be weird if we just chopped it. Bro, 1,000 point day? Holy shit. That's fucked. Nvidia? Oh, the market didn't open yet? I'm tripping, bro. I thought it was 9:30. Bitcoin taking the dump. Hopefully this fair value gap holds on. GBP. I'm in GBP long, so I really hope like Euro might keep expanding. Dollar is just so bearish. Bro, Nvidia's opening at 92. Yeah, we're fucked. The market's fucked. This is crazy. Did we just close the 15? No way we're gonna close the 15 at the last minute, bro. But you think that's bad? Don't even look at my stock. Oh, you know how much money I'm down at this? I don't even want to talk about it. I'm holding until freaking December. Amazon down 17. That's a good buy. Amazon's a good buy. Low, 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 low. Well, this is the definition of gap down long method. Apple's green? Oh no, it's down $20 pre-market. Talk about retracement, bro. Bro, and they want to tell you like, yo, this is because like some random new. Yeah, man, shut up, bro. This is because people are gonna lose a lot of money. Therefore, people are gonna make a lot of money. That's the only reason this is happening, bro. People want to say like, oh, it was 1,000 points. I haven't seen that before waking up. We're in the middle of a market crash. Maybe, but I don't. I wouldn't think. I would. I don't think it's a market crash. I mean, not yet. I still think we're possibly just retracing. I mean, look at this on the daily chart, Nas. I mean, okay, you know what? It does kind of look like a market crash. We haven't had this much downwards movement since COVID. 11K, here we come. That's 3,000. Pick out sell side and went. It's possible. I mean, maybe. I wouldn't say the market's crashing though. Usually it goes down in summer and then it goes higher in the end of the year. So let's just see. Okay, finally. Did we form the 15-minute? Of course we didn't, bro. We have to wait now until like 10:15 to catch our 2 hour trade. I can't tell you what's gonna happen in this market. Or maybe we take out the low after 15. Probably take out sell side, even though there's SMT there and everything. Everything's fucking bearish. So we probably take out sell side, respecting the 15. Sell side's probably gonna get taken. If I had any like downside didn't matter, I would just market sell. Not a good look. Gap down long method. Generally speaking, summer is bearish and other fellowship is bullish, so this is just some serious take profit. Yeah, I don't think I wouldn't say crash just yet, but a lot of downwards movement, bro. That is a lot of downwards movement. Like usually you don't see it that much that quick. But like I wonder, do we go up from here? Does we? It's pretty early on, like August just started. Like, are we really gonna like we honestly potentially could just chop for many months to come. We took out a full sell side. Oh, we're gonna get a 15-minute low probability order block. Not tradable right now, so I have to wait till like 10 a.m. There's no PD array unless you're going for shorts, which even then it's not a good entry. It's 20 points lower from the entry. So we just have to wait, guys. One-minute candles are 70 points. Till 7 a.m. candle. Yeah, yo, don't put any market orders, guys. I think stick to a limit because I think the spread is really bad. Should we test it? Should I click buy and see what the spread is on my paper trade account? There is spread on paper trade, right? There's no spread on paper trade, is there? There's no spread on paper trade, is there? So 7 a.m. candle? Yeah, I don't know what you're saying. Oh, you're talking about the highs? High Gatie, you bearish or bullish? Yeah, I'm gonna say one thing. For starters, this market structure is hard. For starters, market structure hard. For a second, I wouldn't be taking a trade until the bullish PD array forms. 3, I don't really want to take shorts because of the SMT on the higher time frame and lower time frame. But then again, we're just so bearish. What do I want to see? It'll be more clear at 10 a.m. But what do I want to see? Maybe this high get taken. Maybe we do come back into NWAC, and this is where we actually bottom. I mean, we took monthly sell side. This is a serious, like, monthly power of 3 right now. Like, is this just gonna be the worst month of like history, and we just keep going lower? This would literally be the worst month in like history if we just keep going lower and close lower. Like, okay, we have a big month low right here. That's 2,400. This one's already 2,400. Like, this is literally one of the worst months already, and it's only been 3 days. So unless we start bottoming from the sell side raid, right, then maybe we come into NWAG 15-minute. Oh, B is forming there, but the 50-minute fair value gap, if it does form, would be at 10 a.m. This one close 9:45 next candle. So I think gonna wait for 10. I think it will go higher. They got this low resistance liquidity. Maybe tap into NWAG, but it also could just be super choppy. It's possible to be super choppy. It's quite probable actually after such a move. Value gap holds. Compete the highs. If there was a 15-minute bullish, I would have taken that, but it didn't form. 7 a.m. highs target. Yeah, that's a good target. That is a good target. I want to see. I mean, ideally we come into here. That would be great. Like if we could just bottom here and everything goes back to normal. We get some nice market structure and nice predictions. This is tough. It looks like we're gonna get a chain of state delivery and an hourly order block. Wait for 10 minutes gap or something. Market is bearish. Yeah, you're right. Order flow has been very bearish. But I'm not taking no intraday shorts. There's S&P at the lows and the higher time frame. We swept out monthly sell side on NQ. Taking a short on the daily time frame, like it doesn't really make sense right now, unless it came back here. I'm not saying I'm expecting higher prices on the daily yet, but I mean, how much lower can we really go? Like if we go any lower, then we're looking at like the worst month in history of NAS. Like we at this point, like this data, I don't even think the algorithm refers to this data. Like it's already been 4 months of data. So if we keep going, then I don't even know. Maybe we come into these imbalances down here. But we took out the monthly sell side there, and there's SMT. We could potentially bottom. Could potentially bottom there. There's NWAG at the top. I'm just saying there's probably going to be some retracement. We could even reverse from here. What's up, Umer? We're basically waiting for a 15-minute fair value gap to form here if we're going to trade anything. And it's got to be in discount. And then we'll wait for 1 minute confirmation. That's all I can do. That's high probability today. Really, that's all. ICT is live. If you want to watch his live stream after, I'll post my findings in the Discord. I know I missed him too. I can't wait to watch that after. I actually can't wait. Hopefully it's insightful as always. I love his live streams. Very insightful. 5%. Yeah, very volatile market. Yo, keep your trades tight. We're probably gonna keep going higher. Like basically, can we undo everything that just happened? It doesn't look like we're gonna be. I don't want to get FOMO, but I don't think we're gonna get to be a part of this move. And I feel like it's gonna keep going higher. I mean, if the objective is here, it'll give us an entry on the 15, which is nice. But we'll see. Like every bullish PD rate is being respected. It looks like it's gonna keep going off this SMT in the raid. Man, I want to see BGC go up. I want to see everything go up. Why? Why do I want to see that? Um, Mostly because I'm basically trapped in a position right now, and I'm not selling until I'm in green in stocks. So I want to see Nasdaq rally, so potentially I can get rid of my stock. Got greedy. I was up like 400 and I didn't take profit. Should have took profits. I got greedy. Now I have to be stuck holding this shit. Like, see, people be posting news like, "Oh, Wall Street." I mean, shut up. That's bec- because the speak recession fears spook investors, but that is not why the market is down, bruh. Okay, guys, if you get your shorts, that's your potential continuation shorts. 7 a.m. high swept. Can we really go lower? 7 a.m. high swept. There's no PD array, really. Let's go higher. There is SMT at 7 a.m. though. For 9:30 Judas. What do we think? Does this inverse? If this inverses, I wouldn't be opposed, honestly. Maybe if it forms a bearish fair value gap, I wouldn't be opposed to taking short 2 to 1 quick. Off the SMT there, we basically just wicked premium. And that could be the open suit for the day. If we get a bearish fair value gap, I wouldn't mind. But I would go like a quick 2 to 1. I would need to see a bearish fair value gap though. It doesn't look like it's gonna form anyways. ES is weaker. We could look at ES. No bearish fair value gap. And we got the change of state delivery, but I can't take a trade like that. Not good enough. An inversion is not good enough for me. Inversion SMT, that's pretty good. I want to see one more. I want to see like one more, like maybe a bearish fair value gap form. Because like if we want to put in a breaker, that's possible too, right? Looking for a quick 2 to 1, like 2 to 1 partial stop loss, like keep it tight. Could be a breaker. I'm looking down. No, no, I'm good. Maybe I'm just tired. No, I'm good. I'm chilling. I'm really good actually. I'm amazing, bro. I'm freaking phenomenal. That sounded sarcastic. Nah, I actually am good though. Appreciate you for asking. You feel like we could come back? Yeah. I mean, yo, honestly, I feel like there's a decent chance that this is like the bottom of the whole move. Like, period. Like, sweeping monthly sell side. Are we really gonna go lower than that? I mean, it's possible. You imagine you someone soup that low? Fucking big ass balls, bro. Someone just soup that low. That'd be crazy as fuck. Yeah, but I mean, are we really gonna go even lower than 2,500 points? Like that's what I'm saying. It would be the worst month in history. Like, look at this. I think this month, 2022, that was 2,300 points. I can't see anything worse than that. Okay, this one from high to low, 2,300. Like 2,300 is the worst month ever. We have already hit 2,400 and some, and it's only been 3 days. So like, Are we really just gonna set like record world shits right now? Like, is that really what's gonna happen? You know what I'm trying to say? Like, because if we're gonna keep going lower, it means we're gonna set like a record shit basically, which is possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. Eventually, it'll happen. I'm just saying that is what's gonna happen if it does. Okay, if we get a bullish breaker here above the 15-minute now, although I don't want to buy above the high, I can see I'll wait for a 15-minute fair value gap, which looks like it's forming. I'm okay. If the 15-minute forms, guys, we'll probably look to buy inside, and that's gonna be our play for the day. That's it. That's what I called out from the beginning of the stream. Gold. Honestly, I was bullish on gold, and then dollar sunk, which made me even more bullish. But if we take London high, I'm probably still bullish, but I'll get back to you on that. What do I think about gold? Initially, I was bullish, and then this happened overnight, and now you have to reconsider when to possibly take longs. We took out previous week low. We could potentially see higher from there. I'd have to wait for like confirmation on the 4 hour. So if we get like a 4 hour change of state of delivery, I would look for longs. I would still look for longs, expecting those highs to get taken, but I'd have to wait for confirmation now. It was looking good. It doesn't look as good as it was before. Yeah, I wouldn't. I would definitely not hold anything overnight. I mean, I'm stuck holding. That's why I want to get rid of my stock position, but I'm not. I don't want to sell in such a loss. So I'm holding and waiting for stocks to rise up again. I want to get out of that position. Might have played myself, but you said if we take London high, can we go lower? Yes, it's possible. That is a premium array. If I was bearish, I would definitely look for London highs to go lower. And even if you're not bearish, it could still potentially go lower and just come back into this range. Possible. What do I think is more likely to happen, in my opinion, is we come up into here. Because, like I said, I think this is a potential bottom for Monday. Like, I think this could literally potentially be Monday manipulation and then Tuesday into Tuesday expansion. I think that's possible. Usually, when Monday goes one direction, Tuesday goes another. Um, with that being said, we've been so bearish, so I wouldn't be surprised. Like this market structure is hard. Global recession fear. Yeah, that's all it is, though, bro. It's just a fear. That's all it is. Go and read some news. I saw the news, brother. Investors are scared or whatever. Yeah. They say that every time, bro. I'll tell you what this is. This is offset distribution. This is smart money distributing their shorts. Your profits are still good. That's good, man. I'm happy your profits are intact. My profits, they are not intact. So I'm waiting patiently. I'll wait for a year if I have to. I'm not taking no else. The fuck I look like. Bitcoin's rallying again. Yo, I missed going live, bro. Honestly, I missed you guys, bro. It feels like it's been so long. What do I have for you guys? I don't know. I don't know if any of the regulars are here. I see Joshi, Caddy, Ethan, Alpha Bear, Heath, Umer, Rohit. Yeah, some of the usuals are here. I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek. I'm gonna show you guys. So what am I working on? Losing market crash only for big players to get in on discounted price. Pretty much that's how it works. I mean, if the market's gonna crash, I mean, I don't think it will. But you guys see this? These are data entries, and I'm gonna collect statistics. What's up, Jello? I'm gonna tell you guys something. Remember me now, because in some time, and I don't know how much time. Don't ask me how much time. Yo, we're not gonna get a retracement to this 15-minute man. Fuck this shit. Hopefully PMI just sinks lower and we get a retracement to the 15. We can long off of it, but Like I said, I don't think. I've seen days like this form a lot, and I feel like 930 is the low, and it's second stage distribution is not even gonna happen. You just have to play long at 930, or you don't get to play at all. I'm not saying enter at 930. I'm just saying usually it doesn't form. Anyways, what was I gonna say? I'm gonna drop those statistics, and honestly, I feel like I'm gonna be an insane 930 to 1130 trader, or 930 to 12. I've been studying till 12 because sometimes the move continues. I want to see like what kind of forms when the move continues. But just let you guys know, I got the freaking data. What's up, Jello? Yeah, this could potentially be like the low, the low, the low. Like that would be pretty cool, huh? If this is the low of the month and up from here. That would be a cool. That would be pretty cool. Smiley face. Okay, what are we looking at here? Could have mentioned the 930 CISD. You could have. You 100% could have. Right there, 929 CISD entry. Boom. Enter here at the inversion as well. Boom. You could have entered on this order block inversion fair value gap as well. Why don't you trade before 9:30 a.m. in pre-market? Great question. Just for the consistency, I feel like I'm able to find more consistency after 9:30. Um, reason being 8:30 news like sometimes will make it difficult, right? Sometimes 8:30 chops. I don't want to spend too much time in front of the market and watching chop. And a lot of the time, like it's not as clear. For example, here like 8:30 is going lower. I feel like the real move starts to happen around 9:50. So, yeah. I'm just able to like predict better at 9:30. Like I feel like the real bulk of the move is starting to happen. And I get to look at what happened pre-market to help me decide. Like I mean, I guess this is not bad. Like you see the retracement and then you expect it to take out sell side. But I really just like 9:30. I feel like it's very predictable in the sense of AMD, open high low close, the 10 a.m. candle, the news, pre-market SMTs, Judas swing. Like I feel like it's very predictable. All right, guys. So pretty much what we wanted to happen has happened. All we need is it to come back into here, and then we can long to NWOG. If we take out buy side first, that would suck. It looks like we will. If it is low, oh, we don't have swing high. Like we were forming that, we are just go 2K point then break PDRA weekly. If it is the low low, we don't have swing high. Likely we are forming that. Yeah, you're right. It probably won't just go like straight up, but I still think there's a potential chance that like let's see how high we go. Like if we come all the way back up to 1,000 points into NWOG, shit, man, that's fucking low. That's a low low, bruh. I don't know what to tell you. That's a lot of movement back if it happens. Volume imbalance on the weekly, and then you have. That's what I'm thinking too, Alpha. That's usually what you would see in a market like this. I'm thinking about like, do I want to snipe an entry with a limit? That's the 15 minute fair value from here. So like we could try to snipe an entry at this like that. It's a hard one, you know. That is a hard one. Like, you know, like I feel like you're gonna get a chance to enter, and I'm gonna try, but I don't want to get manipulated out as well, right? Like it could come all the way to this flat body. So I don't know how I want to do this. I don't know if I want to wait for it to come in and then wait for confirmation, because I feel like there's gonna be a long ass wick. But I feel like I have to. Like that's the right thing to do, you know? Let it come in, see how low it goes, how low it goes, and then confirmation. I also wouldn't be surprised if 10 a.m. just goes higher. usually what I've noticed. I wonder if I could pull up. I feel like this is cheating almost. But let's see. Let's pull up the data sheet. Did I journal PMI news? I don't know. I don't think. Oh, I journaled PMI. So usually the low form's at 950 in this case. So it's reversed. Oh, this is a bearish example. Do we have a bullish? This is a bullish example. 1004 put in the low. 1020 put in the low. 11 a.m. to put in the low. It's been choppy on these other previous PMIs. Nothing like these ones. I'm gonna need a lot more data because the thing is, these market conditions are not how they were in 2023. Okay, looks like the 15th 4 minute. We got pretty much 4 minutes. So what are we looking for now? We're just looking for a 10 a.m. power of three potential second stage distribution, which is what we were waiting for, basically confirmation, and then we can get a nice maybe dealing range entry. Right. We'll look at this fair value gap, but no, that one like it might wick into this. We could just enter off the 15 period, right? Is that possible? Enter off the 15. Where would you put your stop loss? Stop loss would have to be like, yeah, at least like this body. A pretty serious stop loss, but you can still catch 2R. You could take a trade like this. It shouldn't come back into this inversion. So you could do something like this. At the bottom of this, yeah, I guess you could. Just set a limit like that on the 15. I don't know if I like that though. It's not really my style, if I'm being honest. But where's NWAG? Oh shit, NWAG's all the way up there. Dang, bruh. Yo, are we holding to NWAG and freaking making bank? I wish I had a funded right now. I'm so sad. ICT finishes live stream. The 940 inversion. Clear this up. You said the 940 inversion? Here? Yo, when you say spread, so I mean I should put a limit order, right? Are you saying it entered off here? Did it react off there? Yeah, it could have. I think it was just more going to the fair value gap. And it looks like it does look like an inverse, but it's just like that's just coloring outside between the lines. Yo, are you longing? I'm longing this 15-minute fair value gap, Poggy. Good luck me. 9:30 elsewhere, but I'm saying markets are going crazy. I know they are going crazy, bro. But does that mean I have to put in a limit? Because I'm gonna get spreaded the fuck out? That's what I was trying to ask you. All right, we pretty much called this was gonna happen. Let's see if we can actually act on it. Let's not force anything. Let's not force anything. You never market order though. I got you. But I do think we could potentially see NWAG. Yo, Pocky, what do you think about this being like the low? Like the low, like monthly low? Is it possible? You think so? Higher time frame SMT, lower time frame SMT. What's up monthly sell side? We've already expanded 2,400 points down. We get a nice power of three here, guys. I have no idea. I think it's possible. Like I'm not here trying to predict the freaking monthly low. Like don't I'm not that guy. But I feel like it looks kind of good. Maybe I'm just optimistic because I want to see stocks rally. Yeah. I'm trying to get approved for options. Actually, that reminds me. Okay, 10 a.m. is coming. We want to see a move lower into the 15-minute. Thinking about just putting a limit there, honestly. I think we'll wait for a 1 minute confirmation for the might determine if that's a low low. Yeah, it depends how much more potential manipulation there can be externally. That's a good point. Tapped into the 5 minute on GBP. I hope we continue higher. Looks like we're working nicely. London high soup entry short. Not me. I'm looking for longs. Waiting for the 15-minute breaker block to form here. Yeah, that's not a bad. Okay, PMI. A PMI sweeps London high. That changes things. I can't lie, that changes things. I think we just did, if I'm not mistaken. This changes things. I wouldn't mind taking a short off of just 10 a.m. power of 3 concept, sweeping London high with SMT. Maybe we cast like 2R, maybe we come into here. We still have to be cautious because I'm not gonna lie, like I feel like NWAG is still possible. But let's see, let's see what happens here. I really want to see the 15-minute, and it's not gonna get tapped in. If I was in a trade, I'd be holding a partial to NWAG, if I'm being honest. If I was on a funded. Fast tap CISD. Yeah. We didn't really manipulate lower though. I'm gonna have to wait. I'll have to wait. Still. I wanna be a part of this move. I feel like we called it pretty well. But if it doesn't come back for us, then it doesn't come back, you know? It is what it is. It has to like come back. Yeah, I don't think it would. Like, I would maybe soup until the 15-minute, but like I said, it's one of those days. Like I've seen so many of these days where it just forms at 9:30 and it just freaking goes. Look in the video back at 102, like literally nothing happened. Bitcoin back at 54. What is this, bro? What the fuck is DVP doing? Go up. DXY, wicking. Check your trade. You took a trade. Did you took 9:30 soup? Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. That's a nice entry. I was looking for retracement into the 15, but it didn't happen. I was thinking like NWAG looks good. Probably I would leave a runner to there if I was me. But yeah, we didn't get a retracement. There is a 15-minute there. We could potentially look for a long from there, but we can wait. Like sometimes it'll form at 10:30. Like we can still wait potentially. We could look for a 5-minute. We'll just keep waiting. You know, if we don't get a trade, we don't get a trade. It is what it is. You know. You know. We still did good. We followed the model. Why are you bullish? High time frame monthly. Sell side was swept. And we had SMT there. And then we also have SMT right here. You would expect at least retracement at the very least. If not a reversal, you would expect at least retracement. And then you have the drawn liquidity, low resistance liquidity, and you have the NWAG gap right here. You already learned the pre-market range. What do you mean by pre-market range? Yeah, now we're above midnight open. I wouldn't take a long from here. But if I were to take a long, that's what I'm saying. I wanted to see it retrace into this 15-minute fair value gap that formed. Even though I'm bullish, I wouldn't take a long up here. That's too risky. That's a bad trade. I would want to see a long from here. So I wouldn't mind shorting this towards this fair value gap. Expecting like 10:30 to put in another low and then higher. But I'm still bullish, and I don't really want to do that. I don't want to take that short because when I usually do, those are the type of trades I lose. Yeah, you talking about the pre-market SMT? I'll watch that bit. I'm gonna watch the live stream after. Don't spoil it, bro. Like it's literally like a movie to me. I'm actually excited to watch. You think it will go lower? Macro news are just too bearish. It's possible. It's possible. I don't know if we. I think this low is safe for sure, though. In my opinion, you don't have to. In my opinion, this low is safe. I know they look like equal lows, but it's actually SMT. I think that low is safe. I don't think we'll get a retracement here. Is that a flat body 10 minute? That's a flat body 10 a.m. volume imbalance. Hopefully we come back into there and we can look for a long. That's what I think, Ryuk. I mean, yeah, that's what we called out beginning of the stream. But yo, man, don't spoil. I just said don't spoil. Um, yeah, of course that's a huge draw on liquidity. New week opening gap is very important. We've been very patient, and I'm proud of myself. But I would like to be rewarded for my patience. If we inverse this, really, if we inverse this, we could potentially short to the 15 minute. Good luck, Spearman. That listen, if I was bearish, that would be a good short, and I'm thinking about taking it too towards the 15 minute. But no, honestly, I'm. But I hope it's so tight. Like, no, it doesn't even make sense. If we form a bearish fair value gap, I think we just wait, guys, for that 10-30 second leg distribution, and that's about the best high probability thing we could get. Nice bearish fair value gap to short off of. Oh. This market structure is hard. Still interested in this 15 minute. I mean, it looks nice, man. You see gold? Is gold rallying finally or no? Yeah, I'll look at gold. Let me look at GBP quickly. Okay, that's good. Good. You said gold. Where's my gold? Yeah, like I said, for gold, I would be waiting for like maybe even hourly. Maybe if we form an hourly bullish fair value gap off this bearish one, then I would potentially start expecting this high to get taken. Initially, I wanted to see this high get taken, but and it was looking really good, but not forming yet. We'd have to like inverse this kind of move, before I could even think that it would go up. I do think it'll go up, but in terms of when, wick is crazy. Okay, what's happening here? We're going towards the 15 minute. That's a crazy wick though. Like now, like see now I'm just second guessing. Alright. Now I'm second guessing. Feel bullish. Like I can't flip buys. If we come to the 15 minute and we give confirmation that we're gonna go higher, that's my trade. I think that's all I can do. Stick to the plan. The narrative. I see the narrative for shorts, but I just feel like this low is safe. And if we go lower, it would be just to the 15-minute fair value gap. There is a breaker block in there, yes. That was a slow ass inversion. What's up, Veer? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. We're just waiting. Plan is to potentially long from here. My form's due in the next 5 to 15 minutes. Why did it move so much? Great question, bro. Volatility, the SMT divergence, the news on Friday. Man, I have to go to the washroom. Do you guys think I can make it back? Let's see. Okay, we are back. So no 15-minute value gap, no trade for me. I don't want to break any rules. I need a high time frame Peter Ray. So we're waiting for either or the 15-minute fair value gap. What's up, Monkey D. Luffy? Cool name. Oh, where is that from? That sounds familiar. Yep, I'm gonna be watching that some One Piece. Oh, I don't think I've watched One Piece, but for some reason that sounds familiar. I got a short from the 1 minute fair value gap. I hope it plays, bro. Literally, because I wanted to come into here so I can potentially go long. But if I'm wrong, I also hope it plays too. Um, ICT. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching the ICT live stream after. I like watching them on my own time. After, maybe with some breakfast. Lay up by the pool in the hot tub. It did close above. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about 12:45. What 12:45? What's 12:45, bro? I hate One Piece really, but I'm all ET so freaking good. It works like a charm. I'll definitely watch that, and I'll drop my findings in the Discord too, or my notes if I make notes. Yeah, I don't know if it'll go back. Maybe like 1050. I still think it's gonna go higher towards this, which is what we called, by the way, at the beginning of the stream. But the thing is, yeah, no hard time frame Peter Ray, no. Like I can't enter on a 1 minute fair value gap right here. Like that's not good. Like you know what? Maybe I potentially did miss something. Yeah, there's an SMT there, so maybe. But even then, I would be breaking a rule, and I don't want to do that. My model is very specific. You can't just skip higher time frame Peter Ray. That's a very important part. Like if price wanted to come back down into here, I wouldn't forgive myself for taking a long off a 1 minute market structure. Yeah, the SMT is there, but like even then, I don't think I would take. I would be breaking a rule, like just blatantly. Like that's a clean rule break for my model. You know, I need to wait for a higher time frame period tag, otherwise no trade. Because like imagine you enter on that 1 minute time frame, and then it just keeps going lower, comes into discount, OTE 15-minute fair value gap. Like that's where I want my long from. If you took that long and I got stopped out, like I wouldn't be able to handle. Like I'm not okay handling those losses. If I take a long from here and then I get stopped out, yeah, I don't care. Sure. I'll lose that. I'll lose that every time if I have to. Well, not every time, but you get the point. You get the gist. There's a 15-minute volume imbalance that's about to get tapped in on ES. Looks like we're coming for that SMT. Yeah. Yes. 15-minute volume imbalance is gonna get tapped in right now. Okay, we're in territory for potential longs here. Yep, there is high time from SMT. You're right. Also at the lows though. I'm bullish, so I'm more focused on the one of the lows. But there is SMT both ways. What's GBP doing? Could this just go up? Oh, GBP. Joking. There's a 15-minute volume imbalance. I'm looking for ES to potentially come in from the bearish fair value gap. Now this could be a potential like short just using drawn liquidity. I'm not taking that, but you could short this, expecting that the volume imbalance get taps in off the SMT breaker mitigation. Blah blah blah, whatever. But we're in potential territory here. It's gonna form around 10:30, which is what I would also have predicted. If not, then 10:50. Like you want to see the low, right, of the 10 a.m. candle either put in here. So like, or sorry, I'm trying to say, like if the 10 a.m. candle is going to be bearish, be open high, low, and you put the low in here and then go higher, or you see the low of the 11 a.m. bullish candle put into there. That would be nice, which is where I get those timings from. But you know what? Don't worry about those. I'm gonna make a video on those. Can we finally close above the 5 minute fair value gap? How much am I up on that trade? I don't even know. Let me check my phone. I'm in GBP longs. The wind is howling. This world is going inside. Wait a minute. How many viewers do we have right now? Am I tripping? Or does it say that we have 72 viewers right now? Am I tripping? Someone let me know. Am I tripping? I don't know. You trade micros? Micros. Especially when the freaking market is. We have 73 viewers right now? Where the fuck did these people come from, bro? Holy shit. Alright, so we're up like a couple million today. It's been a pretty normal day. Why your spread is so low? What spread? Oh, this is because I'm on my paper trade account here. So this is paper trading, but I'm trading here. This is where I'm actually trading. So you'll see the spread. I'm guessing that's why the spread is so like non-existent. Um, good. You know, that's a good way to tell if someone's paper trading. I mean, I'm not hiding it or anything, but I always trade on my other monitor, guys, and then I always have this open for you guys just because trading view looks better. I want to see us go lower. Yeah, 9:30 trade. You have a couple of bands, like for each of my friends. I have like 50 friends, so they each got like 5K. It's been five. It's been 5 point spread on one. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a limit order in this 15 minute. Let's see if we can make another Lambo this week. I don't really like the blue one. I'm more of a green kind of guy. Mhm. Thanks for the $1,000 giveaway. That's funny as well. Okay, is that out pushing GDP? GDP looks ass. GDP looks so ass. Yo, what did you do during the washroom break, bro? Bro, what type of question is that? I used the washroom. I let it rip. What type? What? You know? I was clearing my mind. Duh. You took a short at 1804. Good luck. Oh, this is a nice short, by the way. You got my? That's a good short. What did you do in the washroom, bro? What do you think I did, bro? What you did last time? If you make a video like that, all glory to you, man. A video like what? Analysis, please. For Naz. I'm waiting for it to come into here to find my long. I'm bullish, but I won't be taking a long unless it comes into here. I don't want you. I will do something like that, Joshy. Why the fuck you want to know what he did? Higher time frame to lower time frame entry. Well, higher time frame drawn liquidity is the NWOG right here. I'm looking for a retracement to discount of this dealing range, right? And then the higher time frame Peter Ray I'm looking to long off of is the 15-minute fair value gap. I'm hoping 10:30. That'll happen around 10:30. I can expect second stage distribution from there. Or it would be forming at the beginning of 11 a.m. 10:50 macro would be nice too. Is it a good long? No, it's not a good long right now. You'd have to wait for it to come lower. Maybe off the daily fair value gap or something. You have to wait. This is a good short though. There's the 50-minute volume imbalance on ES. Yeah, that's possible soup long. I still want to see it come into here. So I'm not really worried. Like It is possible, yeah, but I wouldn't take it, you know? That's not my model. You know, I need the higher time frame Peter Ray tag in discount. Otherwise it's just no trade for me. And that's okay. Like that's just me, you know? Because the reason is like I'm not comfortable even like taking this and losing. You passed my first challenge. Yes, congratulations, brother. That's a good short you took right there. Targeting low of day. Good luck. I don't think we go down there, but you're right. We did tap. There's a 30-minute FUG. Because if I use a 30-minute, then I have to look for like 3-minute confirmation. Yeah, I would still want to see discount at least. OB on the ES pricing going to low of day. Yeah, I still think we're bullish. But hey, if you're bearish, that's okay, man. We can coexist. I see the potential setup, like the London soup, and then the continuation. We just inverse continuing lower, but yeah. What do I want to see here? How long you been trading for in general? Just over a year. If we get SMT 945, like we might get SMT at this 50-minute fair value gap. In which case we wouldn't be tapping in, right? Because this is 945 candle. We tapped into the 30-minute, like, am I really gonna take a long off a 30-minute fair value gap? That is a hard time frame Peter Ray. Not even in discount. Tick Tick Trader. I hope, because I use Tick Tick Trader. I hope they pay, brother. I don't know. I don't know about that one. That's all I'm gonna say. So I don't know about that one. We basically want to see this low get traded too. Oh, they're good. Actually, I wouldn't know, bro. If we form a long here, do we tap into this fair value gap and discount? Like, at least give me a discount. Like, there's not even a discounted rate. Yeah. I gotta wait, guys. You gotta wait longer. Okay. You gotta be okay not taking a trade. That's the key here. I gotta be like, you know what? If it doesn't, then it doesn't, you know? Like, I might miss it. They're all betting your country, then that's unfortunate. 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 What are the cases when price doesn't tap discount and then rallies? That's the case where price is really, really bullish, brother. That's okay. You can study, like, pinpoint, like, these moves at 9:30, like, I kind of saw it happening. I don't trade it, but I'm able to predict it, where just 9:30 soups and it goes up from there. The reason I can predict it is because I've studied like probably over 100 times where this happens. It usually happens when you're like really bullish and you already formed the setup, right? Like we already had the SMT, right? We already had manipulation lower, so you don't need a big manipulation. Why don't you trade that? You backtested it because it's still harder to predict, and I didn't like the win rate because even though you can predict 9:30 low, stooping and then moving up, even though I'd be able to predict the move up, a lot of the times like 9:50 or 10 a.m. would come back, take that low. So I don't like it. I could like go back and like try to pinpoint narrow when does that happen? Like when does the expansion enough? Like in this case, the expansion was pretty high. So the fact of 9:45 15-minute candle or the 10 a.m. 15-minute candle for it to come back and take this low was pretty unlikely because I mean look where the hell we were. We were all the way up here, right? I think the second stage distribution at 10:30 is a better model to trade than just regular man, if we invert this off the 30-minute fair value gap, like there's no SMT. But if we invert this and form a bullish fair value gap, I might try it, guys. Honestly, I will try it. Off the 30-minute fair value gap, and it's 10:34, so you'd expect this hourly to close around the high, right? So If we get, if we get, I will give it a try. I need to see a bullish fair value gap form though. Is there SMT anywhere? I mean, we did tap into the 50-minute volume imbalance. ES did go to a discount, so not, it's still good. Like they're still, we form a bullish fair value gap here, guys. We also then have to get a fill. That's a whole other freaking story. But what's this? We have the partial there. That's a shitty partial. We have SMT at the high now, which is why I need the bullish fair value gap to form. I don't care about that SMT. Like that could be a soup continuation lower too, you know? But I don't know. I like the 30-minute fair value gap. Probably won't get filled. Well, it looks like it's getting filled right now, brother. Did it just tap in? I didn't even get to put in my limit. Dude, do I buy one? Because that's like a freaking crazy stop loss. I'm literally gonna have to put in one, right? All right, we're in one micro for this case, whatever. We'll just go here with the. We gotta do one micro, right? Because the freaking thing is too much. It's too much points. All right, let's see, guys. Let us see. Does this 1 minute fair value gap hold? First thing I'd want to see is this high get run through right away, without a doubt. I don't want to show it. I don't want to see signs that this SMT is gonna hold. I want to see these equal highs get destroyed. We shouldn't see another low get put in realistically. I mean, we're gonna give some leeway for this fair value gap and potentially the inversion. We already tapped in actually for the inversion as well, so that nice. How are you? I trade Forex. I trade Forex as well, brother. Yo, did I like misinterpret how much one micro is? Like, how much is 146 points with one micro? 96. See, the risk is 220. Yeah, I can't do two micros because that's just like I need like 1.5. Can you on your subtitles? I don't know how to do that. Now I can't even like partial really because never trade for strategy. Is it like NQ? Yeah, it works. I trade it the same way. Okay, we're seeing a nice push. We need to get out. We need to break out these highs though. What is your take profit? If I had, I only have one micro. How much one micro cost you? Zero. Okay, there's the S&T broke. That's what really matters. That's TP1, guys. And you want to know where TP2 is? All the way up here. Holy shit, man. The ticks on this trade is crazy. Forex is more manipulated. Yeah, it means the spread is not perfect with Forex. That's TP2, guys. So I literally can't stay. I gotta stay on this chart here. Now I want to see we run these highs, right? That could have just been a soup. If we form a bullish fair value gap off of it, that's pretty good. My stop loss is if we inverse this fair value gap. So I really couldn't put in two micros because if I did two micros, well, my stop would be like 500. That's too much. But I mean, I'm happy with one micro. I'm not gonna complain. I don't want to just hold to NWAG. Let's see how this forms. I want to see a bullish fair value gap form here for me to be really convinced that this is going to continue higher, because this still could just be a soup, and then we could come back lower. If we close up this fair value gap, guys, I might close early. If we close this up, I might close early. We didn't close it up. Forex is more manipulated. Yes. Come on, be a breakaway gap. Is there any giveaway here? No, there's no giveaway, brother. I'm sorry. I give away information for free. I'm expecting price to trade up into that opening as well, but it doesn't have to do it today. It doesn't have to today. You're right. That's true. Would I expect it today? Possibly. Possibly. Yeah. Probably. Maybe PM. If we inverse this, guys, I'm gonna close early. Could just chill my stop here. Nasdaq will close in green. That's a good question. If it inverses, I don't know how much movement we can have today. If it inverses, short it. No, I'm not gonna short it. I want to give some leeway for the soup of this low, but I have to give some leeway. I'm gonna close in profit, I think. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close a little bit profit there, guys. Oh yeah, just close that bearish. If it closes up the bearish fair value gap, we'll try again. I have to though. It's gonna close up that bearish fair value gap, isn't it? That's great. That's great. We're gonna try again, guys, with one micro. I'm watching a 15-second chart right now. Look at the 1 hour bullish will be on the S. Think it will take it to the outside, bro. 15-minute candle. Watch it. We're gonna see if there's a potential soup here. I don't like this chop. 15-minute candle. Look at the 1 hour bullish. You said the 1 hour bullish. For Forex, I do personal funds. For stocks and crypto, I do personal funds. For futures, I do Forex. I mean, prop firms. What did I just say? Okay, I think we got out. That was good of us to get out there. You try to look at 30-second for entry, stuff like that, or only 1 minute. Almost always 1 minute. The only time I'll look for 15 is just to extra confirm my 1 minute thoughts. NQ, I trade prop firms. That is a bullish order block. Yes. But I'm starting to think that the better entry might form at 1050 macro. Yeah, see, like I don't like that chop. I think we got out at a good point. We whatever. It was like break even $20, $20. Um, it reinverses. No stoop. Maybe I could have trusted that stop loss. Nah, not really though. It shouldn't have. I mean, it was forming a bearish value. Yeah. How long you been trading? Over a year. Just over a year. Let's see. I'm happy not taking one, but let's see for 10. Let's wait for 10:50/11 a.m. I just think it'll be better there than and there. Go back here. What do we expect to happen? Price is heavy. Heavy. That's interesting. I've never seen anyone describe it as heavy. Yeah, I'm waiting for the macro now. I don't want to get souped. That's why I exited that trade early. Had it kept going, but no, this candle closed and then we had a bearish candle. I was gonna get soup there, and you can see I pretty much did get soup. So either I would be in drawdown or soup. Oh, we actually didn't take the low, but it will. There is a chain of state delivery there. Yeah, right there. That is a nice chain of state delivery. but I think that was a good close too. It's always scary to close like that because, like, if it plays out in your favor, like, what do you do? You start, it's still a good close. Were you wrong? Were you right? Like, start messing with your emotions. But I think in this case, it was just simply a good close. You use the fib. I use the fib on this dealing range. That's where I was most interested. But you can look at the fib here, but it's not as, this is just chop, right? So I don't really care about the OT of this range. Like if it's gonna come down here, it'll probably just take the low. The fib doesn't really matter, in my opinion. It'll probably just take the low. But yeah, like it could. It could. Is 1 minute confirmation enough for me? There is a soup there. There's no SMT though, so ICT 2024 mentorship episode 1 is out. Bro, waited till August? I'm gonna love watching that after later today. I'm gonna eat some nice breakfast. Go to the pool. Start watching some ICT. Yeah. I think I'm working out with my girl today, actually. Let me ask her. No, no. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for 1050 to retrace and then long. My draw liquidity's been here. The oops. And this gap right here. I think price is gonna go there. We're just waiting for 1050 macro to potentially give us a setup. I'd want to see an SMT, and I'm happy looking for potential continuation of the idea. I turned off the 30 minute. The 15 minute it never came back for. That's fine. We did come back into the 15 minute volume imbalance on ES, and from there we went higher. So I counted that as my PD array. But I would want to see a continuation because the timing part of my model there, you can see my model. I trade the same thing every day. The time wasn't really there. Like, yeah, 10:30, you'd expect continuation, but it was not really showing that. So I kind of will play at trade of 8. I trade on Top Step, so that's my second monitor. This is just TradingView. I show you guys on TradingView because it looks cleaner, and I like the charting on TradingView. But I trade on Top Step as of now. Yeah, I like Top Step. Let's see. Do we respect this inversion? Go lower. I would need to see an SMT if I'm gonna trade this. This is not really nice, right? We've been pretty much chopping since 10. On the 32nd. Yeah, it'll probably go lower here. We're just gonna have to wait, and if we don't get one, then we're happy that we're not even in loss today, because right, we did call this move nicely, but that's not, it wasn't in my parameters to trade, and we still have the 15 minute, right? Like if it dumps all the way here, I wouldn't mind that at all. I don't think it will though. Let's just see what happens. 1050 macros coming now. A lot of new people in chat, yo. What's up, Dominic? Pip Hunter, Trey, Henry Owens, Pandia, Pandia. BTC crashing like wild? Yeah. I mean, we could potentially see higher from here. A lot of things started lower and then kind of just almost back to normal. Yeah, look at Solana, guys. Let's fucking go. To the moon, to the moon. Do you stream off your laptop? I got a PC setup, yeah. I used to be a gamer. I mean, I still play games here now. But I have a PC setup. Double monitor. Found you random. Like to watch the stream. You don't talk bullshit like others. I mean, if you're talking about the Lambo I made yesterday and the 3 Porsches the day before, then yeah, man, no bullshit. I'm joking, obviously. Anyone here know binary options is legit? I've never heard about binary options. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what that is. This is choppy, guys. This is pretty choppy. I don't want to get chopped up. I'd want to see a soup and SMT, and then maybe market buy on the SMT if it starts to wick. Stop loss at the SMT low, and then that's it. Like that's the trade. Very low risk. And we would only do one micro. I'd want to see soup lower. Like I don't think, yeah. The thing is, like this hourly, we could look for a long off the hourly, I guess. Maybe just top to the close. I'm okay going into lunch here. I'm okay going into lunch. A lot of the time, second stage distribution happens at lunch. Yo, for everyone who's new, I think we just lost a lot of people, but for everyone who's new, I trade 9:30 to 12. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working on. This data collection sheet. Look at the second stage distribution. I'm targeting for these highs. Yeah, me too, Johnny. A lot of the time it forms. I mean, almost always it's 10:30 actually. So, damn, that's a lot of 10:30s. Well, you get some 11:15s, 11:16s. Like kind of like the second 11 a.m. open, low, high, close. If you know what I'm talking about, then let's see. Yeah, I'm only doing micros today. I mean, usually I only do micros too. I do a couple micros. I would need a lot more buffer. I don't like risking a lot. I don't know. I'm not as comfortable losing if I risk a lot. It just feels wrong. What is this fair value gap I marked up? Can't wait for that data to come out. It's gonna be good. I need more entries. I'm thinking about maybe doing like a I did 6 months and I think later today I could probably finish another three, maybe even six, depending how much like what I do. I'm hoping by the next like I want to get a lot of data. That's the thing. Like I don't think 1 year of data is enough. No, I trade ES as well. More I like NQ more, but I trade ES as well. Of course, I would keep ES open, but some people don't trade with both open. You got to, bro. Because if not, then shit, it's gonna be. Oh, that was the hourly I marked out. Pretty much just waiting for this 10:30 low to get taken. 10:50 macro didn't really do much. I mean, it's only been 3 minutes, but we're looking for a strong 11 a.m. low. That's what we're looking for. A strong 11 a.m. low, and we might catch our long here. If not, then we'll come back tomorrow. Tuesday, Monday manipulation, Tuesday expansion. That's a nice break, but yeah, is that enough? It honestly, it might be enough because the hourly candle closes. We might want to close near the high. No SMT, but I like it. Maybe we go long on this fair value gap, 1050 macro. 1030 did take out these lows. And if you notice where we came from, it was just that thing right there. So I think I like this. If the fair value gap forms, I'll go for a limit. Really, Trey? Oh, wow. That's actually interesting. Like, we would still be in the same trade, by the way, off the 30-minute fair value gap. We never inverted this fair value gap, so I wouldn't have technically closed, which is why I'm comfortable taking this a little bit more. How many points is that? I really can't take two micros on that, yo. All right, guys. It's not. It might not even fill us, to be honest. I think we missed it. MSS on yes, FPG and soup. I'm in longs. I'm looking for longs. I'm assuming you mean the soup here. Yeah, but I don't think we're getting a fill. Didn't even tap 30 second. Yeah, I saw that. It didn't even tap the 15 second. We could like enter on now we have another fair value gap, but that just sucks. I don't want to enter on the higher one. So we'll wait here. But and if there wasn't so much spread, I would have entered. But yeah, I guess the original play was good, but I don't want to. That would have been a lot of chop. The original play was good though, right? Yeah, yeah. The original play was good. My stop loss would have been all the way down here, right? The order block low. That's a lot of like leeway. Let's see. We might get a fill here, right at 50%. Yeah. Let me just make sure this is. Let me just make sure I'm actually gonna get a fill here and not tick. Okay. Looks like we'll get a fill. Music would be nice. Things I don't know if I'm allowed to play music on YouTube. I'd have to play like non-copyright music. Should I do that? Does that sound good? I'm gonna play some non-copyright music. Can't wait to watch the ICT shit. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna wick on the first one. If we get a close above this candle, guys, I'm gonna enter stop loss here. If we get a close above this candle, I'm gonna enter stop loss there. That's the play. Hey, Soup, what's up, man? I'm doing good. Just focus, no music. I mean, I'm locked in. I can execute this model with my eyes closed, bro. Watch. Chat already distracting enough. That's true. We have SMT at the lows. I gotta be ready to potentially market buy on this if we close this and use this as support to TP1. I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind that trade. Looks like we'll get a fill. I'm also maybe tempted to like cancel limit and then just put a market buy once it starts to wick. Let's look at the 15 second here. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get a fill here, I think. Okay, we got the fill. What? Why is this so slow? Okay. All right, let's see. Stop loss is this low. We're aiming for NWOG and then we'll see what happens over there. This is the last trade of the day, guys. You can, yeah, like you can. That's what I was thinking. Like, but the thing is, I don't know about the spread today. I didn't want to like market buy on a wick and then it like fills me. Like sometimes I've gotten like 20-point spreaded, where like I wanted to enter on the wick, but by the time I clicked buy and everything, it's like so much. I didn't want to risk it. I'd rather just have a fixed wick. If we invert this, that's not a good close. But let's see. I'm happy with this. We can mark the OTE of this ring. I always do it the wrong way somehow. I've done this 1,000 times. Okay. Hopefully we do not form a bearish fair value gap. We didn't invert, which is nice. But yeah, this looks like a stop loss. This looks like a straight SL, guys. This is just like the fastest SL ever. Unless we start to wick now, but doesn't really make sense. We probably just SL for it to come down here this fast. Yeah, could have just been that 1050 soup and then lower. Cut your loss. I'm gonna let it hit my stop loss. The stop loss is cutting my loss, brother. You give some room. I gotta give some room for it to potentially play. You gotta trust it a little. I haven't lost yet. Let's see. All right, we still have the last down close candle. Not looking good, but I ain't gonna. My stop loss is there. I like to let my stop loss hit mostly. I know I closed that other one early. You use it. That's the benchmark record, of course. We're doing a little SMT right there, so maybe, maybe, maybe. But we just have the bearish fair value gap there. We would have to invert this bearish fair value gap. and that's a high probability bearish fair value gap. So yeah, it's gonna be SL if AS takes that low. But yeah, of course, advanced market structure is really really useful. Wait, the difference between there and there is 40 points? That's crazy. Brother, your disclaimer says Tanya trades. You have to update that sign. Did I not update that? That's so sad, bro. What, do you know where it says that? Such a deep retracement? It is a deep retracement. But it also could just be, that could just be a manipulation. Like, do you know where it says that, brother? Is it in the description or is it in the, I don't know if you ever saw that. No, I did. One of Tanya's people told me, but I thought I changed it. So I didn't know. Oh shit. I like DM'd her and I was like, yo, how do you make this stuff? Change the name, but you don't have any bullshit problems. No, you're right. But do you know where did it say that? We tapped into the bullish fair value gap there. I'm gonna put my stop loss here now. It's probably gonna take both out of those low resistance liquidity lows if it plays off this fair value gap. Yeah, we're out. Why isn't it filling me out? Okay. We're out there. That one Bishop is also rejection block on M5. Good thing we went out a little early there. That's probably it for me today. Maybe, like, we could have got that original soup that we wanted. I would need to see SMT. Uh, 11 a.m. We do have the hourly. Like, maybe that was a bad long, right? Against the hourly fair value gap, you should have sold that CB. Demo trading? No, I'm trading over here. So whatever you see on that screen, I'm taking on my second screen. But yo, Jose, do you know where you saw that exactly? I'm willing to try this hourly, to be honest. It was a good trade. Yeah, honestly, now that I'm looking at it, wasn't a bad trade, but because we were forming the hourly below, like there's a good chance it's gonna stop us, right? Like what I was hoping was we take out TP1 before the hourly. Wait, did we? No, we didn't. Like before the hourly closed, so we would like take the high and then go. But now I'm willing to try one more because we only lost. That was only minus 130. So I'm willing to try one more. That was low risk. And then we just wait for 5 minutes and we hold through lunch. Yo, Jose, man. This guy left me hanging, bro. I gotta find it myself. Because I swear I fixed it. Like, I ain't gonna lie. That's where I copied it from. 100%. I wasn't gonna write my own. And I know she streams. But, thought I'd change it. Not the description. Is it at the... Nah, bro. This guy's tripping. It says Gatie Trades. Am I right? Am I tripping? I think I changed it. I think he's talking about my old live streams. Looks bearish. I think we're still bullish, but you could be right. I could be wrong. I still think we come up into here. I'd want to see it come into this hourly. I don't see it. Yeah, I think we're chilling, bro. I think he's maybe talking about an old live stream. We're chilling. Oh, basically just one loss today. Very small loss though, so I'm okay with that. More importantly, we were right about this move, and then it kind of just chopped, which again was another reason. Like that really just faked us out. Like we really were liquidity right there. Which honestly, I mean that wasn't the best trade. I should have maybe waited for the hourly, but we can wait now and see if it doesn't form by like 11:10, or doesn't show that it's probably gonna form by like 11:10. You like the line balance, but yeah, I like it too. It's taking the short conditions for now. I mean, yeah, it's just choppy. We'll see. If we come in here within like the next 5 to 10 minutes, maybe off this bearish fair value gap, We put in some low resistance liquidity, and then maybe we get something like that. 64 in live, bro. There was 80 at one point, bro. What's up, Rez? We now have macro. Yeah, 6 more minutes. I'd have to wait for a 5 minute. Like if I'm gonna trade off the hourly, I don't want to go hourly to 1 minute, and that's a pretty big freaking hourly fair value gap. Maybe if there's SMT, then I'll go on the 1 minute and just trade it. We'll see. For now, we have to wait for that low to get taken. Not a bad short, actually. It's really not a bad short. If we soup this high, never mind. What is if ES doesn't take it? Looks like 3 drive with 1 minute FEG is placing, but I don't know. Do you use trade 3 drives? I look at it, but I don't really trade it. Do go ahead about there. Take out, brother. Fuck is takeout? We fucking ordering something? Oh, peace out, bro. I'll see you next time, man. Six sister, possible. I kind of like this short as a scalp, but not really. But how do I always do it the wrong way? This is that is 1, 2, 3 drives. I still want to see the hourly. Don't forget us. I won't forget anybody, bro. I'm not gonna remember every name in here. Trust. I really want to see the hourly get tapped in with SMT because that would be really nice. We could have just, I guess we could have just been manipulated out there and we don't even go. That wouldn't really make sense though. I would much prefer the BTC 200K pump, BTC Fed is. It is above 10 a.m. candle, which is right here, yeah. But I still want to see the 10 a.m. low get taken. If we inverse, like, I'm not going to take a long unless we come into the hourly. It would be kind of weird if we just got souped like that, though. I guess it is ranging, so maybe. Like, I guess we were just souped. I mean, it's a good thing we closed. We saved ourselves like 30 points. But, yeah, damn. I guess we really just got souped, huh? Unless this is the soup for the hourly fair value gap. This is what happens when you trade and chop, bro. Like we could genuinely just take that high with SM. If we take that high with SMT, I might short to the hourly fair value gap. To be honest, I might short to the hourly fair value gap. Imagine it just keeps breaking out. Can I ask where do you live? I live in like near Toronto, Canada. If we get an SMT at this high, or if we start to aggressively wick, never mind. No aggressive wick. We can likely say that high is gonna get taken. You ever just wonder, like, what if I just click the buy just until the high? Like, no risk, no stop. Like, you know it's gonna go there. There it is. Let's see if we get the SMT. No SMT, no short. No short. I guess we just got manipulated there. That's almost TP1. Yeah, I did it. I did do that, but I thought I changed it. We could potentially. Okay, there is SMT there. If we get an inversion here, flat body candle, I wouldn't mind shorting this to the hourly. Yo, we really got manipulated out there, huh? That was our TP1 right there. Yo, Jose, where the where? Which disclaimer? Because I have it all over my channel. Are you talking about my old live streams? Because those ones are already fixed. For example, you see? Oh shoot, does that say? Yeah, see that says Gatie trades. I think I want to short this. If we get a 15-second inversion, I might short this to the hourly fair value gap. And that's your 11 a.m. high. So far, it doesn't look like we're inverting. This is what I'm looking at, guys. I guess I'll just keep this up here for now. I wouldn't mind shorting this. This. See, for now, we'll keep it here. We'll try and get the. Okay, there's our fill. Let's see if this plays out. We'll sell here. Let's see. I know we're longing against the 1 minute bullish fair value gap, but we have SMT, so and it's very low risk. So let's try. Let's try this. We didn't form a bearish fair value gap on 1 minute, so it doesn't look good anymore. But let's see. I'm okay taking this trade off the SMT. We could potentially get a breaker, and then that's also to 1 minute FEG is king. 1 minute FEG, it looks like it's gonna stop us, yeah. But let's see. Let's give it first. Yeah, let's see. It might form a breaker. How much was that? That's another minus 100. So no more trades today. But let's see if we can tape read this, because I still think it might go lower. But did we really just get soup? Like I guess that initial entry we had, the initial entry we had was pretty good. I was thinking maybe this flat body and then 1 hour fair value gap. Damn, this is not slowing down. I guess NWAG is in the picture now. We didn't invert. I know. I was looking at 15-second. I was looking for a low risk potential short, but no, didn't happen. Could get a breaker here. The SMT is still there. I was basically just souping that low. I was souping the higher, but I got my first one did. Let's hope I don't blow because everyone says first one it gets blown. Did I blow my first one did? I didn't blow my first one did. I got a payout on my first one. Still, I still think we go to the hourly. I mean, maybe I'm just chasing the hourly fair value gap at this point. Disclaimer, what do you want? I think it's fine. I think he's talking about one of my older ones. It could be the last manipulation above. Like, we'd have to form the breaker for me to believe that. Right now, I'm trading on 5 evals. That's what I'm trading on right now. My last funded, I took a, if we inverse this, market's kind of smoking us all shorts and longs. Yeah, that's why I'm very low risk. We are going to inverse it. I could, let's see what happens here. I don't mind this. Yes, with the inversion. Good day to STFU. You're right about that. Right. So my last funded, I took payout, and I lost like 2 or 3 in a row. I don't remember. And then I was basically in drawdown for like, I was trading like 1 or 2 micros because I was in deep drawdown. So then I just full ported and I copped 5 evals because I wasn't gonna keep trying to make it back with 1 or 2 micros. Didn't really make sense. You know what I'm saying? That makes sense. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna invert. We inverted on yes, but let me just kind of close right back above. Yeah, it is a little. That is a little nicer. At least Solano's doing good. How's GPP doing? Still chopping? It's been chopping for so long in this 5 minute fair value gap. Solano's doing good. I want to see, does this go lower to the hourly? Do we just go to NWAG? Jose, are you talking about this? You selling? Maybe if we inverse. Are you talking about this? Because I swear it says Gatie trades. Oh, it doesn't? Where does it say it? I should stop flashing it, huh? What, am I tripping? Is it there? Is it what I just showed, or is it somewhere else? Second line right there? I missed it, huh? Yo, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna have to change that for sure. You're welcome, cuz. I appreciate you, man. It's the second line? Okay, I got it. I changed it on the first line. I guess it showed twice. Okay, okay. We'll change it. We'll change it. No need to flabbergast. Where is this potentially going? We have an hourly here. Equal highs. Maybe Tanya watching right now. She's pissed off. I mean, no, I sent her a message. She didn't reply. Not my fault. I tried. You know. Yeah, I could see that too. See that too. For sure. For sure, I could see that too. Let's see. Do we go higher from here? Close above opening price. That's good. This black line is the hourly fair value gap. I feel like we would probably want to tap into there. We got a lot of manipulation. Yeah, there was a lot of manipulation. You're right. There was indeed a lot of manipulation. Why we're just watching this now. Might form a bearish fair value gap on yes. We have the stoop of the low. 11.16, 11.16. We push higher after taking the low. Close up the bearish fair value gap. Possible. Towards the hourly fair value gap maybe now. There is a volume imbalance slightly there. PS might take the high first. I need breakfast. I want to go swimming, bro. I just want to go swim. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Maybe tomorrow, maybe PM session actually will be good too. Maybe we get NWOG on the PM session. Pushing up. Starting to wick. We didn't get a close above these candles, so ES might actually. So maybe we continue higher. US CAD looking great. 4-hour IRL to Euro. US CAD looking great. Yeah, that's a long wick though. We already swept the buy side, so you talking about shorts or longs? I don't think I would take longs. Not after sweeping that buy side. Shorts look not bad. You target the weekly or something. Take the day off. I mean, I'm chilling now. I'm just watching this. We are seeing where this could potentially go. I'm gonna make breakfast and go swim soon. Does anyone have questions? Usually I do. This is around question time. Yeah, question time. You can see the staircase. Questions going once before I go swim. Make some breakfast. We'll work out. We'll be back live tomorrow. Everyone up to? You guys catch wins or you guys take L today? You Muslim? I am Muslim. I'm live. Close the door, please. Close the door, please. NWOG. NWOG would be a crazy one. Took a win today. Nice, bro. You take short or long? You take 9:30 longs. That was a really good setup at 9:30 in my opinion. 9:30 setup was pretty good. Did I actually get work for binary options? I'm long and libro. I have no idea what a binary options are. Is it the same thing as regular options or is it different? Is it an options contract for something else? They work on all assets. The ones that are more heavily manipulated, it's harder to see them play out. You need to open your USD account to withdraw money from funding account. I'm still targeting gap. No, you should be able to go to where. Yeah, I'm targeting gap as well. It should. You just get bank wires. Like I just got a bank wire. I have a Canadian account that worked out for me. Should be fine for you too. Did we get expansion through this high? Any tip on risk management? Risk where you're comfortable risking. I like to risk less. A good tip I like is whatever you risk on trade one, your next trade you can risk 50%, and it's a pretty good. How come my counter not even there because spread, huh? Wow. The spread is so bad that my copy trader isn't even like equal. Crazy, huh? Um, I like to. What do you think about funded next? I know some people who use them, so I'm sure it's not that bad. Well, it definitely on what assets though? On stock, like stock options? It for sure works on stock options, but you would want to like, just understand the manipulation that comes with that. It's like crypto. Like it works with crypto. Tell me it doesn't work with crypto. And you look at these charts, it definitely works. But I also feel like they're more manipulated. Brother, you take any trades today? Sorry, I'm out of them. Yep, two losses, only minus 200 on the account. Let me check. Minus 200 on the account. So we might actually trade PM, target NWOG after we take a launch of loads or something. Sounds like not that bad. You trade it up or down. Huh? Took one long. I mean, did I take a short? I don't even remember. Took a long and a short, I think. I took two longs. I took a long. I mean, I got stopped out and then it pretty much played out, which sucks. I got stopped out and then it hit TP1. So, yeah. But it's all good. You know, we stuck to the model. It was low risk, and we're up a lot, so a loss like that isn't too bad. These accounts are looking a lot better. My health, I'm feeling a lot better, man. I gotta go eat some breakfast though. Go to the gym. What do I think is gonna happen here? I don't even think it's worth it. I think maybe PM will offer something better. I might trade it. If I do trade PM, I'll be in the Discord, pinging it, telling you guys what's gonna happen, or what do I think is gonna happen. We do have a breaker there, breaker FEG. Pretty weird to see 1124 high though. Usually it doesn't form around 1124. I mean, actually sometimes it does because you see the has 1111 and then three drives. That actually quite happens quite a bit. So maybe actually. Yo, Deadpool 3 was really good. It was really funny actually. I was literally like laughing inside the theater. Do we have SMT at the high? 1124. See. Hmm. Superman? Yeah, it was really good, man. Deadpool 3 was really funny. It's actually a really good movie. Oh, we can watch the ICT. Oh, I'm so excited to watch ICT. I'm honestly so excited. Honestly, I can't wait. It's gonna be so. I can't wait to watch that. Eat breakfast and watch some ICT. Watch that lecture. People are saying it's so good. Did you see Superman and Wolverine? Did I see Superman? No, I didn't see Superman. You saw Superman? Where? ICT posted a lecture. I watched it this morning. Looking forward to watch tomorrow as well. Oh, are you going again tomorrow? ICT posted a lecture. Rohit, 10 a.m. Let's people. Hi there. That was good. 10 a.m. relative equal highs in the bike scene. What do I remember? I don't remember seeing Superman. I remember seeing the Fantastic Four guy. Is that who you're talking about? You talking about the Superman actor or the Superman, like literally souped up? Wait, where? Which bike scene? The motorcycle where they? I thought it was really cool that they showed like Cassandra Nova. I thought that was really cool. It was just really funny, like the Deadpool cinematics. Oh, you're talking about the actor? Maybe I just don't recognize the Superman actor that well. See if this displaces and continues lower off of this order block. Wait, what? Superman and Arrow together? I don't know. I think it was maybe just for like a scene they made a joke or something. I mean, that's what I'm guessing. I don't know. Failure to close below this low. Let's see. Wait, why, brother? You didn't watch Superman movies? Not really. I think I only watched one of them a while ago. Was cocaine is hell of a drug? What? What do you even mean? More. You did. You did what? I don't remember seeing Superman Deadpool 3. You didn't take any trades? I took two trades, both losses. Minus 200, so I might trade PM. I look to trade PM here. If so, it'll be in the Discord. I won't stream it, but maybe I'll take my laptop to the pool or something. I won't stream it, but I will. What's your risk per day? Depends on the day. I won't risk more than 250 per trade. That's like an ultimate max. It's never really that much. I like risking less. I like risking like 100 to 200 per trade. Depends. Like today, right? Like you can't really perfect the trade with micros too. Hey, that's my hero Henry Deadpool movie. Deadpool. All I'm gonna say, man, Deadpool was amazing. All I'm gonna say. Deadpool was amazing. More amore. More. That's how the song goes, right? Got the inversion there. This little CISD. Anyway, guys, I think I'm out for today. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Enjoy me some breakfast. See you guys live tomorrow. Maybe I'll trade the PM. Peace out, guys. Peace. Peace, peace. See you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, add me in the Discord. See you guys. Love streaming to you guys.